Hello and welcome to Over the Vest Nurseries. This is where we grow over 2,000 different varieties of outdoor garden plants, ones that have been especially selected for their suitability and performance right here in this region. That's the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic states of the US. And if you'd like to find out more about them, can I suggest that you click and subscribe to this channel, and then as we film and post the videos that we're shooting here on the nursery all the time, you'll be first in line to find out about all the wonderful plants that you can grow in your garden. And a wonderful example of an outstanding grass variety that we're growing here on the nurseries is this fabulous compact growing variety of zebra grass. This is Miscanthus Little Zebra, a variety that, believe it or not, only grows about 3 to 4 foot high. Now, as you look at the foliage, you'll see that it's got the same sort of banded foliage as the big growing Zabrinus. Zabrinus normally gets to 6 or 8 foot high, but this short compact variety has the same variegated foliage, and then in late summer and going into the autumn time, when it starts to flower, as you see, it produces these fabulous silky tassel-like flowers that move so beautifully in the breeze. Here's an ideal plant to put in as a single specimen in a bed or a border. You could use it also, of course, in containers. But I like to suggest that if you've got the space or the place for it, that you think about planting these somewhere alongside a patio or a deck. I love the way grasses move and the sound of the foliage in the breeze, but I particularly like the way that they soften down hard lines. So if you've got a courtyard or a patio or a deck or somewhere where you'd like to kind of soften the hard lines, then by all means see if you could use this fabulous variety. Now, because it's short and compact and yet very elegant, here's a plant that looks absolutely superb if you're able to plant it in bigger, bolder groups. And because it's smaller and more compact, then of course it will take up less space. Now, as you go through the season, you'll see that these pink, silky, tassel-like flowers will gradually become creamy, tan-colored, kind of fluffy flowers that actually persist well into the winter time too. And like the other zebra grasses, you'll find that this is really a tough and hardy and easy to grow plant. Hardy to zone 5. All it wants is a sunny or partially shaded location, though I have to say it does better in sun, and planted in an average garden soil. It's not really fussy about soil types as long as they're free draining. Once you get it established, after watering it and looking after, you'll find that it requires very little maintenance, except perhaps a trim back in the late winter or early spring. That's about all you need to do to be able to enjoy this fabulous, elegant, very beautiful and long-lasting colourful plant. This is Miscanthus Little Zebra.